Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the graph of a line and we're looking to find the point on the line where x is equal to 2. So if we look at these answers, they're all going to be fractions. It's not going to be able to be something that you can tell just by trying to find the point in the line and guessing, because these values are probably going to be very close to each other. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to find the equation of the line using points that are definitely on the line, and then we're going to plug in 2 for x into the y equals mx plus b equation, solve for y, and then we'll have our answer. So what are the 2 points that we're given? Well, if you can see highlighted on this line, we have 0, 5, and up here we have 6, 9. And so for y equals mx plus b, we need to find m, which is the slope, and b, which is the y-intercept. If you notice, this is the y-intercept, this point that we're given right here. So we already know that it's going to be y equals mx for whatever m is, plus phi, which is that value right here. So now we just have to find m, which is the slope. If we assign this point to be x1, y1, and this point to be x2, y2, then we're going to be looking for the slope, which is the change in y over the change in x, which is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what's that going to look like? It's going to be the difference in the x's, so 9 minus 5 over the difference in the y's divided by the difference in the x's, which is going to be 6 minus 0. What's that going to come out to be? 9 minus 5 is 4, divided by 6 minus 0 is 6. 4/6 is the same as 2/3. So our equation is going to be y is equal to 2/3 x plus 5. Now we're looking for the point where x is equal to 2. We're going to try and find the y. So y is equal to 2/3 times 2, plugging in 2 for x, plus 5. So y is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 divided by 3, plus, and 5 plus 4/3 is not the easiest thing to add. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a common denominator. So we're going to say that 5, therefore multiplying it by 3 divided by 3, that's the same as multiplying by 1, which is not going to change its value. If we think of 5 as 5 divided by 1, since that is still 5, we can multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator and get a fraction, which is going to be 5 times 3 is 15, divided by 3, which we can plug in for 5. Now we have y is equal to 4/3 plus 15/3. Now these have a common denominator, we can just add the numerators. So we have 4 plus 15 divided by 3 is just 19 over 3. So this is going to be our value of y, which is going to be our answer, which lines up with b. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.